Weirdest planets discovered in the universe. The first confirmed planet around a sun-like star. More than 60 leaders in the field of exoplanet observations chose their favorites among the nearly 2,000 known exoplanets. Some of the exoplanets are rocky, some are gaseous, and some are very odd, but there's one thing each one of these strange new worlds has in common: all have advanced scientific understanding of our place in the cosmos. Please do subscribe, like or share this video with your friends and family. Also turn on the notification to stay tuned to our daily new content. Planet Gliese 436b. Gliese 436b is a massive contradiction. The Neptune-sized exoplanet has a small rocky core, followed by an icy exterior which takes up the majority of its size. On top of that, the planet has a huge hydrogen cloud around 50 times the size of Gliese 436b surrounding it, which leaves a trail from its orbit. Furthermore, it has a temperature of around 439 degrees Celsius, which is why it has been nicknamed Thick Burning Ice Planet and is slowly causing it to evaporate. David Ehrenreich of the Observatory of the University of Geneva said, "This cloud of hydrogen is very spectacular. Although the evaporation rate doesn't threaten the planet right now, we know that the star, a faint red dwarf, was more active in the past." Exoplanet 55 Cancri, just 40 light-years from Earth. It's a planet which is largely made up of diamonds. Exoplanet 55 Cancri is twice as large as Earth, but its mass is almost 8 times as much. This is because of what the planet contains, Nick Kumardusan from Yale said. "This is our first glimpse of a rocky world with a fundamentally different chemistry from Earth. The surface of this planet is likely covered in graphite and diamond rather than water and granite." Planet TRES 2b. The gas giant known as TRES 2b is the darkest planet ever found. TRES 2b orbits at a distance of just 3 million miles from its host star, yet is coal-black and doesn't reflect any light. David Kipping of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics said, "Being less reflective than coal or even the blackest acrylic paint, this makes it by far the darkest planet ever discovered. If we could see it up close, it would look like a near-black ball of gas, with a slight glowing red tinge to it, a true exotic amongst exoplanets." Planet HD 106906b. It was originally suggested that the planet known as HD 106906b shouldn't exist due to its size and distance from its star. The giant planet is 650 times the distance from Earth to the Sun and is 11 times the size of Jupiter. However, the average temperature on the planet is a staggering 1500 degrees Celsius, despite its vast distance from its host star. The planet is only 13 million years old, just a baby when you consider that the universe is over 14 billion years old and is still baffling scientists to this day. Planet Super Saturn. Described as Super Saturn, the planet dubbed JH-07b is like one big optical illusion. The celestial body, located just 434 light-years away, has a mass of about 40 times the size of Jupiter and has 37 rings surrounding it which span near 120 million kilometers, 200 times the size of Saturn's rings. However, these rings may be the formations of moons, a process which has never been observed outside our solar system, a physics and astronomy professor Eric Mamajek said. "This is probably the first indirect evidence we have of moons forming around planets outside of our solar system, and that has never been seen before."